In this video, I'm going to show you how to summarize YouTube video links using Microsoft Copilot. So this is Microsoft Copilot that I've logged in, and I can just come over here and paste in, can you summarize the content of this video? So the video is about Hoover Dam, and take a look at where I picked it from, this place. This is a TED Talk on Hoover Dam that someone gave, Alex Gentler. Okay, so I can just go ahead and click on enter to this, and this is going to study the video and just give me the summary. So this is Hoover Dam works related videos. What is the Hoover Dam, how the Hoover Dam works, and then you can see more details about how it works, and then we can have things like the engineering marvels, key things to note, the artistic and architectural significance, legacy and impacts, and so much more from this particular link that we just added, which is very, very correct. So if you want to summarize any video link, you can actually paste it and you can pick in 3 major takeaways. Can you give me major takeaways from this video, for example? And it is going to give you the exact 3 major takeaways. These are its 3 major takeaways: the purpose of the Hoover Dam, high gravity design, massive scale materials, construction challenges, hydroelectric power generation, and so on. So this is a bonus insight from the video. Okay, so key message is that you can access and summarize and even extract content from a YouTube link directly using this very AI tool. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.